Sir, thank you for this opportunity. मेरे भाषण से पहले राहुल जी का भाषण हो गया। ये राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण में बोल रहे थे, सार्वजनिक सभा में बोल रहे थे, ये तो मुझे पता नहीं चल गया। और ये भी पता नहीं, जो लिख के दिया ना, वो लिख के इधर चुप, जो लिख के दिए ना, उसमें मैडम है या चेयरमैन है ये भी पता नहीं था, ऐसे ही पड़ गया।
यूएन में कुछ और पढ़ दिया तो हाँ ठीक।
पेज बदल गया था।
प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
और नहीं, आई एम नॉट yielding सर, आई एम नॉट yielding, आई एम सॉरी। You have spoken enough time, I am not yielding.
जोशी जी प्लीज।
Madam, he is talking. Sir, he is speaking about the corruption. Madam, sir,
एक मिनट
sir, let me. No, I am not yielding, sir. I am not yielding. I am not yielding. No, I am sorry, I am not yielding.
No, please, I allowed him to speak. Please for a minute.
आपने जो बात उठाई बिल्कुल सही बात उठाई है। 2-3 गलतियां मैंने की। कांग्रेस पार्टी में हम गलती कर सकते हैं, आप लोग कभी गलती नहीं करते हैं। आप लोग सब कुछ जानते हो, आपको सत्य मालूम है, हम सत्य को ढूंढते हैं, हम सत्य के बारे में सुनते हैं। धन्यवाद।
प्लीज।
नहीं सर, नो सर, he has accepted that they are committing mistake, but after the committing mistake they have to learn the lesson. Still they are not ready to learn the lesson. This is the problem of the Congress party.
Please continue, please.
कांग्रेस पार्टी का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? With the experience they don't want to learn. That is their problem. वो गलती करते हैं, बोल रहे हैं ना, गलती करते हैं लेकिन सुधरते नहीं है। And sir, I am so surprised. आप कृपया, I am so surprised. He is talking about the corruption. इस देश में अगर करप्शन का जनक कोई है तो कांग्रेस पार्टी है सर, कांग्रेस पार्टी। People who are responsible in the entire 10 years, sir, in the entire 10 years, people who looted this country, जिन लोग जिस कंट्री को लूट लिया, जब सारे देश में हम चलते थे, सारे प्रदेश, सारे विदेश में हम चलते थे, जब मैं गया था यूएस में, हमको पूछ रहे थे अगर कुछ इंडिया में आना है तो पैसा देके आना है क्या? कांग्रेस पार्टी को ऐसा माहौल उन लोगों ने बन लिया था। एंड मे आई टेल यू सर, थ्रू यू सर टू देम, how this coal scam was happened. The coal scam, the entire country knows how coal blocks were allocated, and today coal blocks were, sir, I listened to Rahul Gandhi. No. Sir, entire our party, entire this side listen to the Rahul Gandhi. Let them listen to us. Let them listen to us. Let them have patience to hear us. Sir, please entire the coal block, how they were allocated on a chit, on a slip which was sent by the AICC office, they were allocated the coal blocks. And by that, what CAG said, and what is happening in the Supreme Court today in 2G scam, and what is happening to Chidambaram, they do not have, they are so much scared. इतने scared हो गया है, they don't want to take the name of P. Chidambaram, who is today in the entire nation, in the entire world, thousands of crore is invested by him by a money laundering. They don't want to take his name. And these people are talking about the corruption. What is happening in Karnataka, let them have a look. I will come to it at the later stage. And he is telling, Rahul ji is telling Prime Minister is not India and India is not Prime Minister. We have never said that. But what their people had said previously, Indira is India, India is Indira. भारत देश का अपमान किए हुए लोग जिस संविधान को डुबा दिया था, वो लोग आज बात कर रहे हैं. सर, आई फील वेरी सॉरी सर. And before coming to the राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण, let me tell one thing. He is talking about the JNU. He is talking about the Hyderabad University. I am going to ask, leave all other things. May I ask one question to the entire country and this house, sir? Why the death anniversary of Afzal Guru was celebrated? Only, I don't want anything else. Why it was celebrated? जो घोषणा दिया ना दिया वो तो अलग बात है सर. That is a different issue. And may I tell you sir, this P. Chidambaram, who was the home minister then, during the tenure of his home ministry, the clemency petition of Afzal Guru was rejected. And today he is telling, he was home minister then, at that time it was rejected. And today what he is telling? Afzal Guru, it was not a fair trial and he was hanged improperly. Is it not shame on their part? And today they are they taking action on Mr. Chidambaram, who was home minister then?
No, please.
Who was home minister then?
Please.
Did he not say that? He has told it that in interview, madam. Madam, sir. सुनने क्या होगा? बैठिए.
अरे कोई तो जाने लो.
Please.
और सर,
Please,
सर उनका सुनने का क्षमता नहीं है, निकल जा रहे हैं.
जो चीज ये प्लीज
Sir,
प्लीज
let me tell you, sir, they are talking about the गरीबों के बारे में. खरगे साहब की उसका जिक्र किया गरीबी का, और जो प्रेसिडेंट ने एड्रेस, माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी एड्रेस किया था, उन्होंने ये कहा था गरीबों का उन्नति, पॉवर्टी एरेडिकेशन, किसानों की समृद्धि, युवाओं को रोजगार. ये रेफर करते हुए खरगे साहब भी कहा था. और मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेटली राहुल जी इज ऑल्सो रेफरिंग. मैं आस्क यू सर, द गरीबी हटाओ, in 1971 this Garibi Hatao slogan was given. Sir, shall I tell you one thing, sir? After 1971, in 2004 and 5 and 2000 up to 14 tak, these people, UPA government, they appointed the 5 committees. One is Rangarajan committee, NC Saxena committee, World Bank committee, Tendulkar committee, and also Arjun Sen Gupta committee. Arjun Sen Gupta committee report was not published. One more total, Hasib committee. And shall I tell you the average of this committee, sir? Even all these 5 committees, they are appointed to understand what is the poverty level, what is the BPL level in the country today. All the committees put together, if the average of that report is taken into the consideration, 40% of the people are still below poverty line. And Arjun Sen Gupta committee says that 80 crore people of this country, their spending capacity is less than 20 rupees per day. Who was ruling country, sir? Sir, shall I tell you, sir? Sir, 17 years Jawaharlal Nehru, 15 years Indira Gandhi ji, 5 years Narasimha ji, 5 years Rajiv Gandhi ji, 10 years Sonia Gandhi ji. 47 years. 47 years. These people have ruled, and poverty in the country is today, it is, entire world knows. Tarif Anwar ji, no, please listen to me. Tarif Anwar ji, please listen to me. Entire world knows during the 10 years of Manmohan Singh ji, who was ruling the country in the name of Manmohan Singh ji, Prime Minister used to preside, Madam used to decide. This was the situation.
Honorable member Joshi ji, please address to the chair.
I am addressing the chair, sir. So total 40% of the people are below poverty line, sir. And this Congress party ruled for 52 years. 52 years.
Just 1 minute.
52 years, sir.
1 minute, sir. I will go through the records. I will take direct decision. I will take the decision after going through the records. Please continue.
I am continuing, sir. Sir, entire world knows who was ruling during Manmohan Singh's period. That's why I take this Sonia Gandhi's name, and it is not unparliamentary according to me. And और इन लोगों ने पूछ रहे, ये क्या पूछते हैं? अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे, कहाँ आएंगे, किसको आएंगे? मैं तो ये तो बोल सकता हूं सर, अच्छे दिन इस देश का लोगों के लिए आएंगे, कांग्रेस के लिए कभी भी अच्छे दिन नहीं आने वाले, ये तो आप समझ लीजिए। सर, they are talking about the bank nationalization. Sir, the committee which is appointed by them, it has said that even after the bank nationalization, more than 60% of people were out of the banking net. Is it a fact or not? After this, they tried for financial inclusion. I am not telling no, but more than 40% of the people were out of the banking network. That's why Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana was brought in, and it was the most successful one, sir. Sir, what are how they spent on about the infrastructure, and they are talking about the corruption. What is the National Herald issue? It is in the subject in the court. I don't want to refer much, but what has happened, sir? Sir, bank nationalization. And what about the infrastructure, sir? Infrastructure. Only 2% of the total, where the 40% of the total road traffic is on the national highway, but these people constructed just 2% of the roads in the entire 52 years of their tenure, sir. During the Atalji's government, only in 5 years, 16,000 kilometers of the highway was constructed, which was accepted by the UPA while submitting the affidavit in the court. And even in the short period of Modi period, we have completed 7,890 kilometers of the road. Sir, coming back to the PMJSY, sir, Pradhan Mantri who sits in Delhi और विलेज का, गांवों का रोड का इमेजिन करने के लिए, उसके लिए सोचने के लिए अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी आना पड़ा इस देश में. These people never thought that there should be a road connectivity to the village, and we started the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, and they are talking about MNRI ji. MNRI ji, जो हमारा प्रधानमंत्री कहा था वो ठीक ही था. अभी हमने उसमें चेंज क्या करवाया? We have converted into durable asset करने के लिए जो कुछ भी करने का है उसके बदला हमने ला लिया है, सर. इसीलिए सर, as far as this road I said, and about the power generation which Deen Dayal Upadhyaya scheme he has referred, sir, the power generation in the whole country during the 2014-18 was 8.4%. 8.4%. 8.4% it is increased. Sir, shall I tell you one thing, sir? Sir, today power is available surplus in of the sum of the state, but it cannot be transferred to southern state, and from one region to other region it cannot be transferred. Why? There is no transformation facility. There is no corridor. After 52 years of their rule, if एक wire नहीं है तो transformation के लिए, who is responsible for this, sir? Who is responsible? And yesterday, and in Karnataka, sir, in Karnataka, but they don't want to listen, sir. In Karnataka, total 4%, according to CEA, 4% is deficit. But out of the 60-70 years, more than 50 years, these people have ruled. 2 घंटे के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देता है कर्नाटक में आज भी. हमने कल पीयूष गोयल साहब को मिला. We met Piyush Goyal ji and told him to provide electricity. And 319 megawatt he readily agreed to give. But these people said, because we don't want to take it. We don't want electricity from the center which is ready to supply. Why do you know, sir? They want to purchase it from private people for the obvious reason, sir. I don't want to tell it here. Sir, lastly, sir, and they are talking about terrorism. Terrorism के बारे में उन्होंने बात कर रहे हैं. What their former home minister who has stated, I already said, sir, and also, sir, the entire country knows how the Ishrat Jan case was handled. The Headley, who is the approver, they are asking, how can you believe a criminal? We are not believing criminal, sir, but he is the approver with a corroborated evidence. He has given a statement. They are questioning his statement. I am really surprised. And also, sir, after that, what the former Home Secretary has said, the Ishrat Jan, who was the LED operator, that line was deleted from the second affidavit. Who is sir, I want to quote an example of the Mahabharat. महाभारत जब चल रहा था, दुर्योधन को यक्ष ने बंदी कर दिया, यक्षास वो बंदी कर दिया. जब धर्मराय ने कहा भीम को वो दुर्योधन को छुड़ा के लेके आओ, दुर्योधन ने कहा ना, नहीं हम नहीं छुड़ाएंगे, अच्छा आदमी नहीं है. लेकिन धर्मराय ने कहा वयम पंचाधिकम शतम, जब हम बीच में झगड़ा करते हैं हम दो अलग है, लेकिन जब हम दूसरे के साथ लड़ते हैं हम 105 है. वयम पंचाधिकम शतम. इन लोग क्या किया, मोदी जी को और अमित शाह जी को दबाने के लिए, उनको टॉर्चर करने के लिए, इशरत जान who was a terrorist which is coming out now, they have been, उनको उन्होंने ऐसे बिहार का बेटी कह दिया एक लोग, और इन्होंने क्या क्या कह दिया मैं उनसे नहीं जानता हूं, और कैसे वो अंडर सेक्रेटरी को टॉर्चर किया ये सब रिकॉर्ड पे आ रहा है, इनको सब पता चलेगा. सर, एंड नाउ देयर आई एम कमिंग टू कर्नाटका, सर. The 1,540 crores was given for the drought relief. This is the highest ever amount for the Karnataka state given by the center. And these people, after giving the money, center after providing the money, they have just distributed 192 crores only, sir. So far, they have not able to distribute the money, sir. There are many things, sir. And
Please wind up. See, Joshi ji, please wind up.
Fasal Bima Yojana. Sir, I want to tell them, sir, Fasal Bima Yojana, the first crop insurance was, the scheme was, it was launched by and fabricated by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Because it was a new scheme, we told to further improve it. But what these people said, they gave it to private people, and ultimately farmers did get nothing. We repeatedly, when we met then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji, but nothing was done. Sir, today this Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he thinks of the farmers. That's why itna Fasal Bima Yojana itna acha hai. In the each and every farm, it will be checked through using the technology. Sir, lastly, sir, you give me another 2 minutes, sir. No. Sir, lastly, coming to Karnataka, sir. Karnataka.
Please sit down, please. Honorable member, please sit down.
Suniye.
Please.
Sir, they are talking about, sir, another 2 minutes.
Honorable Ji, please continue.
Another 2-3 minutes. What is happening in Karnataka? The chief minister is wearing a watch which is more than 70 lakh rupees worth. This is the allegation. And that watch, when initially it was told that 70 lakh rupees worth watch you are wearing, आप कैसे समाजवादी है, आप तो कैसे मजावादी है या समाजवादी है, वो लोहियावादी है, वो मजावादी. Sir, I am not yielding.
No, please.
Sir, this 2 minutes. This Majawadi chief minister initially has said, Initially he said, initially he said, sir, last minute.
Sir, let him-
Initially he said,
Let the member
5 लाख के लिए दे देता हूँ, ले लो 5 लाख के लिए। बाद में जब पता चल गया कि उसका 70 लाख है, 1 महीने के बाद एक आदमी को they searched one person and they said sir, they searched one person and said this fellow has given us, see, this fellow has given us
Please conclude. I will call the other member. Please conclude.
gift, and I am not alleging anything, sir.
No.
I only urge the central
we are
government.
discussing about the
Finance
presidential
MIS is sitting here. I only urge, sir, if this watch has come from a NRI, then question is, he has told, Chief Minister has told that it has been gifted to me by an NRI. Sir, last, sir. It is an NRI. If he is NRI, then question is, where he purchased it to gift it to the Chief Minister? While coming to India, did he disclose it to the custom authority? Did he pay the central excise? These are all the questions which has to be prayed. If he is a foreigner, then sir, it is the question of Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, sir. That's why, sir, this was issue.
Please wind up.
If it is a gift, then it is a question of when they are telling.
Honorable Member Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, please.
Last, I am concluding. Sir, I am concluding, sir. Sir, I am concluding. If it is a gift from a NRI, then it is a question of receipt, central excise, custom, declaration. And lastly, sir, he never declared as soon as he.
Sir, please speak.
Expect all those things which are irrelevant, which are wrong information.
Honorable Sri Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, please. Going to record. Nothing will record.
I have to speak Maharashtra, then I have to speak other states also.
And I am concluding in 30 seconds. Sir, as soon as gift was received, it was his duty to declare. He has not done that. After 1 month he has declared. It is a crime, it is a corrupt, it is a stolen property. ऐसा एक allegation है. I want central government should inquire into this. Thank you very much, sir.